Karen Paget, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Siva Animal Health, one of the fastest growing animal health companies in the world. So we have some really exciting things at the booth to talk about. We're talking about our vector brands for flea and tick control, and our Adaptil and Feel-Away brands for behavioral issues. We can share with you information about promotions and programs that we have going on to drive traffic into the veterinary practice. And we really want to highlight a new multimedia advertising campaign. We'll have print, we'll have online advertising, and we're excited to say that we will have TV advertising in 40 markets to drive pet owners into the veterinary hospital to ask by name for the Vectra 3D brand. So come to the booth and let us tell you about the exciting things we have going on. So thank you very much for your time and your attendance at Western Veterinary Conference. As a global company that's singularly focused on animal health, we are committed to supporting the profession and to helping you deliver the best optimal pet care to your clients. Please come by our booth and visit with us and understand how Siva's products can help you be successful in 2013. And we even have a tasty treat for you as well. So come on by. Thank you.
Hi, this is Chuck Perry. I'm with Wagon Tails Mobile Conversions. We're here today showing our mobile veterinary clinic. This unit is designed as a preventative care to go right to your pet parents, do the vaccinations and exams, diagnostics, that sort of thing. This is not designed for surgery. This is designed specifically for the preventative care. Those types of procedures that bring the profit into your practice. They're air conditioned, they carry their own water, their own waste. This particular unit has a 7,000 watt own-amp generator, which will run the air conditioning and any heavy amperage type appliances. This particular unit has porcelain floors, a lot of stainless steel in it. The unit is very easy to maneuver inside and out, very easy to keep clean. Come and say hi. We look forward to meeting you.
Hi, my name is Dan Aja. I'm a veterinarian with Hills Pet Nutrition. In my position, I'm the U.S. Director of Professional and Veterinary Affairs. And really, we're excited to have you here at Western Veterinary Conference this year, 2013. It's an exciting time for Hills. It's really, we have a number of new things this year. The booth that you'll see behind me looks like a house, shaped like a house, and that's because we have a new weight loss diet. Excessive weight is the most common form of malnutrition we see in pets today, and Hills scientists have been able to come with a breakthrough product that'll actually cause weight loss in 88% of dogs and cats within the first 2 months of use. It's just a revolutionary breakthrough, and how it works, it actually changes the metabolism of an obese dog to that of a healthy dog. So we're really excited to have that here. We're educating about that this week. The other thing, we also have a new objective tool for determining the ideal weight for pets, something new. Kind of like when you go to your doctor, they test you for cholesterol, the results are black and white. You're either high or you're normal. And that's exactly what this tool does. It tells the pet owners what the ideal weight of their pet is, and so it gives you something to work from conversation-wise as to what the pet should weigh. So we're really excited to have you come through our booth here. And the other thing I always like to mention, which we don't talk about very much, is at Hills, we have a very active shelter program. Since 2002, we have been active in the pet shelters around the United States. And since 2002, we've been involved in the placement of 6 million animals, working with over 1,000 shelters in the United States. We're very, very proud of that. We don't talk about it very much, but I wanted you to know that we are very active in the pet shelter environment as well. So welcome to Western Veterinary Conference. Love to have you come by our booth and see all of our new products for this year. Thank you very much.
I'm from Gulf Coast Veterinary Specialists in Houston, Texas. We have some exciting things planned for the meeting. We have some exciting labs. The Oquendo Center, of course, is a very unique and just an ideal place to do a hands-on training lab. I've lectured and run labs all over the world, including Europe, Asia, United States, and there is no facility that is better for learning these hands-on techniques than at the Oquendo Center. The facility and the staff at the Oquendo Center are unparalleled. This provides a perfect learning environment to help you develop your clinical skills, which in turn will help you bring this to your clients and give your patients better care. The point is that all the tools you need to improve your clinical skills are available under one roof. I'll be involved with 3 courses this year at the Western Veterinary Conference. We have one that's going to be looking at treatment and diagnosis of cranial cruciate ligament ruptures in dogs. We also have one that's going to be looking at TPLO, an advanced technique used to treat cranial cruciate ligament rupture in large dogs. And lastly, we have a lab that's going to be looking at very simple ways to fix fractures in both dogs and cats. We do have 3 labs at the Western Veterinary Conference meeting this year. However, we have labs that run throughout the entire year. This year, in fact, I'll be back 6 times to do different labs on a comprehensive treatment and diagnosis of stifle injuries. We'll also be doing hip dysplasia in juvenile puppies. We'll be looking at simple fracture repair and how to correct angular limb deformities in dogs. We'll be introducing a new technique in the stifle called the CBLO, and that will be taking place this fall. Another course that we do is one on minimally invasive surgery. And with this course, we teach people how to use arthroscopy to treat a lot of different problems in the shoulder, elbow, and stifle. And in addition to this, we also teach them how to actually repair.
Hi, I'm Libby Wallace, CEO of the AVMA Group Health and Life Insurance Trust. We're glad to have this booth at the Western Veterinary Conference. We have a variety of products, insurance products that we'd like to offer veterinarians, so please stop by. We'll help answer questions for you about life, disability, professional overhead insurance, as well as we want to introduce our new private exchange offering medical insurance to veterinarians this spring. Additionally, we also have Booth 1000, where we're again providing a wellness booth for veterinarians and participants here at the Western Veterinary Conference. Everybody should please stop by Booth 1236, where you can register to win a $500 Apple gift card. Anyone is eligible, and we'll be happy to contact you after the conference. Please stop by the wellness booth, Booth 1000, where we can do a full blood chem panel, a PSA test, as well as rabies titer testing for veterinarians, veterinary students, and veterinary technicians. We'll be there every day, Monday through Wednesday, beginning at 7:30 a.m. We're glad to be here at the Western Veterinary Conference, and again, enjoy your participation and please stop by both Booth 1236 as well as Booth 1000. Thank you.
I'm the head of Abbott's Animal Health Division. Abbott Animal Health is very excited to share with you the announcement that we have this week at WVC. We are launching Orcam. Orcam is the first and only veterinary non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug with transmucosal oral delivery. Orcam controls pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis in dogs. Actually, one of the most common complaints by pet owners is the difficulty administering medication. Orcam helps eliminate these roadblocks. It delivers a consistent and accurate dose without a lot of the administration hassles of other pain medications. In addition to launching Orcam this week at WVC, Abbott Animal Health has also recently announced our expansion of our oncology product pipeline through an exclusive agreement with Oasmia Pharmaceuticals. Abbott Animal Health has global distribution rights to Paxlovid and Doxophosvet, 2 human-grade cancer treatments for use in dogs. We have many great events going on here at WVC this week. On Wednesday morning at 6:30 a.m., Dr. Tammy Grubb will be speaking on pain management associated with osteoarthritis in dogs. Also, at the Abbott Animal Health booth, we have demonstrations showing the ease of administration with Orcam between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. every day that the booth is open. We also have drawings for a pain textbook. We have a buy one, get one free show special for Orcam, and the Abbott Animal Health team will be here to answer any questions that you have this week. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Tony Rumschlag with Elanco. I'm Director of Technical Consultants, and welcome to the Elanco booth. Our theme this year is Healthy Practice, Healthy You. And I'll explain a little bit about what that means. We have a number of events that we're sponsoring this year, including jazzercise, yoga, Zumba class, all those things early in the morning to get you up and running. In the afternoon on Tuesday, we have a special cooking event with celebrity chef Katie Lee, along with Dr. Ernie Ward, where they're going to talk about cooking in a healthy way, healthy manner for you yourself. As far as your practice, we have a number of events that are going on to provide you with information from a technical perspective to help you, but also from the business perspective, especially an afternoon event on Tuesday talking about the practice pharmacy and how to better utilize it. I'd also like to invite you to our booth. Come by, we have a couple of special things for you. First of all, there is a promotion at the booth. They have a backpack that actually has battery contained within it. It recharges your iPhone, your iPad, cell phone, whatever. It has a variety of connections, and it's through a special order, you get the backpack. The other thing is we have information at the booth. Stop and talk to us for a little bit, and you'll get a clinician's brief algorithm book to help you in the practice. Again, things to help you within your practice and help you have a healthy lifestyle. So I want to invite you to come to the Elanco booth. We're located right beside the Grand Pavilion Lounge as you first walk in to the exhibit hall area. So come see us, talk to us, and take part in the events we have going on at this great Western Veterinary Conference.
I'm Dr. Jules Benson, Vice President of Veterinary Services for Pet Plan Pet Insurance.
And I'm Elise Benaruma, Claims Manager at Pet Plan Pet Insurance. We're excited to be back at WVC and to tell everybody how Pet Plan can benefit their practice. Please come on by and make sure you get a calendar, a fetch, and eat a Belgian chocolate or two.
Pet Plan allows veterinarians to practice their gold standard of medicine, offering coverage for all accidents and illnesses, including hereditary disease. We offer flat rate reimbursement on all conditions. We were excited to host our 2013 Veterinary Excellence Awards on Sunday night. In attendance were not only our Veterinarian of the Year, our Veterinary Practice Manager of the Year, and our Veterinary Technician of the Year, but also our 8 esteemed judges and other members of the veterinary profession, including WVC's own Dr. Guy Pigeon.
The exhibit hall is great this year. It's full of energy and excitement. Please come on by and see our booth. We're 2013. We're excited to meet you, and we're excited to introduce you to our team.
Elman International is a manufacturer, and we market a high-frequency radio surgical device that's primarily used for soft tissue applications. What I'd like to do is demonstrate this by activating this device. With this little wire, you control the depth of the incision by pulling that out or pushing it in. It's only going to cut up until that shaft. So the way it works, you always want to activate the unit first, touch the tissue, and just let it float through. And what we just did is we just made a fine incision, which you really cannot even see because there's no char, there's no lateral or thermal damage. Yet what we did is made a beautiful cut like that.
My name is Dr. Jeff Mayo. I have a mobile surgery practice in Seattle. I'm here at the Elman booth today at Western Veterinary Conference to talk about what I do with radio surgery. About 8 years ago, my practice was 100% laser surgery. I went mobile at the time, and I did it for a number of reasons. One is radio surgery has provided quicker recovery for my patients. Surgeries go better, we get better hemostasis, less pain, you see less morbidity, and our patients are recovering faster. Overall, the Elman unit has provided less cost to me in the long terms. It's lighter, it's easier to move around, it's more portable, and the maintenance costs are much less than when I was using the laser.
You know, we really urge you to come visit the exhibit hall, see what's happening. It's really exciting, a lot of fun, and look forward to seeing you here.
Hello, my name is Michael Walsh. I'm Communications Manager at Verbac Animal Health. At Verbac, we're passionate about animal health, and we're excited to be here at the Western Veterinary Conference. There's a lot of buzz around here, a lot of people coming to our booth asking about our new products. The first is Relaxine tablets for dogs. It's the first and only FDA-approved cephalexin specifically formulated for veterinary medicine. Veterinarians are very familiar with the therapeutic benefits of cephalexin, but what we found is that the profession really appreciates the palatable tablet formulation as well as the 3 dosage options. It allows for much more flexible and accurate dosing options that the veterinarians can offer their clients. Our next product is Exotic suspension for dogs. With 1 in 6 dogs suffering from some form of otitis externa, it's more important than ever that veterinarians have an easy and effective solution that they can offer their clients for this disease. With its unique award-winning applicator design, it allows dosing, metered dosing, at any orientation. That, combined with its unique formula, allows for a short 5-day duration of therapy that most pet owners will find much more easy to comply with. With Exotic, ease and otic are together at last. Our third product is Effetix topical solution for dogs. With its unique dual acariciidal formulation, it allows for rapid repellency, protection that goes beyond just killing fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes, but allows for long-lasting protection for the clients and their pets. This year, Verbac is honored to be the closing event on Wednesday. Our speaker is Jillian Michaels. She's actually a multimedia powerhouse. She's a best-selling author. She's a star and host of one of the most popular TV shows on TV, The Biggest Loser. She'll be speaking on how veterinary professionals can take care of their own well-being in the face of stress as they take care of their four-legged creatures. I encourage everyone to visit the exhibit hall, visit the Verbac booth number 863, ask how you can enter a drawing to win a backstage meet and greet with Jillian Michaels.